guys, hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi and welcome back to my channel. Da 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 da. So guys, today's video is about Delhi vlog. हाँ जी, मैं दिल्ली गई थी. It was a very sudden plan. कोरोना के टाइम पे गई थी. Video is about all the shopping places that I visited in Delhi and all the clothes that I got. I'm gonna try them and show you all how it looks. So I was not able to plan things and I just left and met my friends and was roaming for 2 days completely. Let's get started. So finally I'm on my way to the airport and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. बहुत नींद आ रही है. Flight is at 10 o'clock and my brother is coming to drop me. I literally thought that कोई भीड़ नहीं होगी, जल्दी जाऊंगी, जाके बैठ जाऊंगी, but oh my god, it is completely packed. Corona? I literally took 45 minutes just to enter the airport and then another 30 minutes for the check-in and stuff. अच्छा है यार मैं घर से जल्दी निकल गई थी वरना पक्का आज मेरी फ़्लाइट मिस हो जाती. ऊपर से मेरी ये उंगली, आई गॉट हर्ट वाइल आई वॉज स्लीपिंग एंड देयर वाज दिस स्वेलिंग इन माई बोन्स. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस बट ओ माई गॉड दिस इज़ अनदर पेन एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी टायर्ड. लॉल. कोई काम नहीं था इसलिए सोचा बैठ के बेबी हेयर गिन लूँ मेरे. हैं फाइनली आउट. 30 minutes more and I would have died of suffocation only. So initially I was supposed to stay here. It is a hotel at Connaught Palace known as Shangri-La, which is amazing view, but then I just ended up sleeping like a cobra for some time and then I did a night out at my friend's place. This is Chavi and this is Shrishti. They are my friends and this is the second time we are meeting, but we are very excited to chill, roam. Woohoo! So the first place that we visited is Khan Market, which is near to the metro station in North Delhi. So it has a lot of restaurants, bakeries, branded showrooms, lifestyle stores. So we did a lot of window shopping. Publix, we are going to Lodi Garden by walk because like ये लोग को पतला होना है. सेल्फी मैंने ले ली आज, सर पे रहते मेरा था, दिलों के शूटर है मेरा स्कूटर, दिलों के शूटर. हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, बंद है दरवाज़ा और हम लोग फालतूगिरी करेंगे क्योंकि हमारी आदत है. ये देखिए दो और बदतमीज लड़कियों को. So this is Lodi Garden, which is near Khan Market. Hence, it was a walking distance for us. People usually come here for morning walks, chilling, photo shoot. People like me, and there are some certain tombs out here, and it's like a historical place and very pretty to see. So I really took a lot of pictures out here. Ha ha ha. Vibe check. मैं heroine हूँ. So then we visited Janpat Nagar Market. Oh my god, I have heard a lot about this and it is so fascinating. I mean, it has Lucknowi chikankari garments, jewelry boxes, footwear, bags, handicraft products, a lot of handicraft products, and I was shocked looking at it because they were so nice. I just wanted to buy some souvenir from here, so I did buy, which I'm going to show you all in the end of the video, so stay tuned. Also, there is this market known as Sarojini Nagar Market, which is again very famous. I was not able to visit, but I would definitely recommend you guys to go. So then we visited this underground market, which is known as Palika Bazaar, which is between the inner and the outer circles of Connaught Palace. For me, this is similar to the Hirapanna of Bombay because it looks like that, and again it has cheap electronic items and clothes which is affordable. I wanted to go because मैंने सुना था और मुझे देखना भी था, तो we just did a few window shopping kind of thing and left. So this is the place that I loved the most in Delhi. It has this vintage cinemas, bars, restaurants, and I did go there, but I was not able to shoot because of some reasons. But y'all should definitely go. And then रात को हम India Gate गए, and then we just had some street food, which I'm gonna show you all in the next video. Guys, I am at Delhi, South Delhi, Vasant Kunj, and there are 3 connected malls out here, out of which one is DLF Emporio. So this mall has all luxury merchandise, lifestyle products, exclusive premium brands like Armani, Burberry, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and is for Amir log. Lol. The second mall is Promenade. So this mall had affordable brands like Zara, Forever 21, Marks and Spencer, etc. And we did a lot of shopping from there. And now we are going to the third mall. It is known as Ambience. So, Chavi. So this mall had affordable brands like H&M, Westside, and it also had repeated stores from DLF Promenade. Also, this mall is one of the most famous malls in Asia. This is Pride Plaza, the hotel that I'm staying in on the second night. It's in Gurgaon in Aero City and very much nearby to the airport. इतना सारा शॉपिंग किया, अभी पैकिंग करने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है और सब फिट भी नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्या करूँगी मैं. So woohoo UP, I'm very excited to show you all what all I got. So I'm not a person who is much into skincare and stuff because I'm more into like clothing, fashion and all. So I don't really buy stuffs from Body Shop and all those places. But this time I finally सामने से got this one hamper from Body Shop which was for 4,000 and there was a buy one get one free offer on this. इसीलिए I got 4,000 with 2 hampers. No wonder I bought today. वरना तो कभी लेती नहीं है तो एनांशी. Actually gone to Levi's to buy clothes for my brother, but मुझे ये वाला टी-शर्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा तो I got this white t-shirt with golden print of Levi's on it for 1,400 and I got a black t-shirt with red Levi's written on it for my brother so that we both can wear it together. So I've never seen this brand in Mumbai, but I saw it in Delhi. Cover Story is the name of the brand and I got this cute little dress from there and it's for 2,500. It was a fresh apparel so I didn't get any discount on it, but I think it's cute enough to buy. White color polo neck full sleeve t-shirt from Beverly Hills Polo Club, which is in association with US Polo Club. The price for the t-shirt is 1,400 but it had a flat 50 off on this so I got it for 700. I also got this ochre color full sleeve t-shirt from Beverly Hills. It was for 1,600 initially but I got it for 1,000 because it was on discount again. So I got this very simple nice t-shirt from Only. The only reason I got is because it has subscribe written on it and it's for 1,300. मैंने जैसे देखा मैंने सोचा मेरे को लेना ही है because I want you all to subscribe, so subscribe if you all haven't still subscribed. Calvin Klein t-shirt which was initially for 3,000 but there was a sale going on so I got it for 2,400 because it was having a 20%. मेरे को थोड़ा funky bottom wear दिखा at Janpat Nagar and I just decided to buy it. Obviously I didn't try it out there because you're not allowed to. It's a street shopping. पर मेरे को ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा तो मैंने ऐसे ही खरीद लिया. I got it for 500, 450 actually because I obviously bargained. I also got a few decor stuffs from Janpat Nagar Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your favorite outfit and yeah, when you visit Delhi, do go to these places and explore more and more. And if you all have any other video that you all want me to do, you all can put it down in the comment section below. I'll try to do it. Also guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon in order to stay tuned with Henu. Bye.